Coronavirus has devastated the world since its outbreak, and several solutions have been sought for the eradication of the virus. Various companies are developing solutions that include using CBD, such as STERO Biotechs, a research and development startup that is committed to the research and development of CBD-based treatment solutions. STERO works to attain additional know-how to seek simpler treatments for COVID-19 patients, among other conditions. A lot of literature has been written on CBD and how it can serve as a potential treatment for COVID-19. However, it is necessary to know that depending on the stage of the illness, cannabinoids such as CBD could either help or hinder a patient. This is due to each stage of the illness likely needing a completely different treatment. Evaluating the safety and effectiveness of isolated cannabinoids at numerous stages of a COVID-19 infection in clinical settings is the key. A pool of university and personal researchers in North America have uncovered preliminary proof that CBD might hold the key in developing a widely available, comparatively cheap, and sensible preventative treatment for coronavirus. According to the official analysis abstract, the analysis team believes it is incontestable that prime concentrations of CBD extract will facilitate, modulate, and suppress the transmission of active COVID-19 virus pathogens from the mouth, nose, and lungs to an infected person. CBD seems to reduce the cytokine storm that damages the lungs, killing several patients with COVID-19. Researchers at the Augusta Medical University in Georgia, USA, reported that CBD can enhance the oxygen levels in our lungs and reduce inflammation, as well as reduce physical lung damage. Now, their research has shown that apelin levels are dropping with the viral infection, and that CBD helps rapidly normalize those levels along with lung function. Apelin helps to normalize the significant increases in inflammation in the lungs and related breathing difficulties associated with adult respiratory distress syndrome, otherwise known as ARDS. But when they looked at their ARDS model, apelin did not reduce the inflammation of the lung, instead decreasing the lung tissue itself and the general circulation, until they administered CBD. They announced in the journal about hemp and cannabinoid research that CBD treatment reduced excessive lung inflammation, enabling improvements in lung function, healthier oxygen levels, and the repair of some of the structural damage to the lungs that is classic with ARDS. It is still not known if CBD has a direct effect on apelin, or if there are downstream consequences. However, the study shows that the virus probably suppresses the apelin, and CBD interferes and helps increase the apelin level. Researchers say that the next constructive steps include a higher understanding of the interaction and relationship between CBD, apelin, and coronavirus, together with why apelin goes down when in the face of the virus, and the reason why CBD brings the apelin levels up. Some researchers have already highlighted CBD's ability to boost oxygen levels and cut back inflammation, as well as lung damage in their laboratory models of adult fatal metabolism distress syndrome.